How do I make sure my agent doesn't ask an inappropriate question of talent during an interview process? That was a question that was posed during one of the New York City World Tour's Salesforce event around staffing and recruiting. We had a roundtable event in there, and I was a part of that roundtable. And there was an individual there who was concerned that, hey, agents seem great. They can do some tremendous things, and it's really impressive. But how do I make sure this doesn't go out and do something inappropriate or offensive or answer a question or ask a question in a way that we're not allowed to as recruiters? Well, it's a really good question, and I understand the concern. Inside of Salesforce and Agentforce, make it pretty easy. They set up the ability to have guardrails where you can essentially write a rule for your agent that says, do not ask any questions around the following information. And you give it that guardrail, or you just give it a list of questions to ask and then say, do not ask any questions other than these that are listed. So you give this agent guardrails, and that makes sure that that agent doesn't ask anything inappropriate. It takes a little bit more work, but that's one of the trade-offs to a system as powerful as Agentforce, to make sure that you can actually use it for your specific use case. So that's how I would address that question. You literally just write in a guardrail into your agent and make sure that it can't ask those kinds of questions.